Alright, so I'll show you guys how to fix the wobbly wheel problem um, whenever you try to swap rims or wheels in Assetto and Blender. So bring your rim in. You don't have to zero out the camber and the toe. Select the existing rim or the empty. Go ahead and hide. If it's disc or suspension, go ahead and hide those two empties. Snap the cursor to the center point of that empty. You can go ahead and delete that, the existing. Snap the rim to the cursor. With both of those selected, select the empty parent object. Control P so you can set the parent to object. Change your pivot orientation to local. Then go to Object, Transform, Align Selected to Active. As long as the last object you select is the empty, it's going to align correctly. Now you can see, well, it'll slide along that axis, and when we rotate the empty on the X, perfectly aligned. Good to go.